Hi, this is AI Sales Room, the world's first AI-powered sales room that works like a professional sales closer and operates 24/7. There are no funnels, no sales pages, no chatbots, no videos, and no complicated setups. Just one smart AI link that explains, answers, convinces, and converts automatically. Welcome to the future of selling in 2026. I'm Yogesh Agarwal, and let me show you exactly how AI Sales Room works. Let's start from the dashboard. From here, I can instantly see all the AI sales rooms I've created and all the sub-users added to my account. Everything is clean, simple, and beginner-friendly. I can manage rooms, users, and settings from one central place without any technical confusion. Next, we move to the Room section. Here, I can see the complete list of my AI sales rooms. Each room comes with quick options to edit settings, delete the room if it's no longer needed, or launch it instantly. Using the plus icon, I can create a brand new AI sales room in seconds. This is where every new AI selling experience begins. Now, the room creation process is organized into 3 simple steps. Step 1 is select avatar. Here, I can choose how my AI will appear. I have 3 options: video avatars using HeyGen, video avatars using DID, and audio avatars. From the HeyGen section, I can choose from a wide range of professional human avatars suitable for sales, support, coaching, healthcare, business, and more. If I want a talking digital human from a single image, I can use Video Avatars DID. And if I want voice-only selling, I can select an audio avatar. Once the avatar is selected, I move to step 2, select language and voice. Here, I choose the voice of the avatar, the language it will speak, and the overall tone. I can also select or upload a video background or choose from predefined backgrounds available inside the platform. I can control the quality of the video by selecting low, medium, or high based on my needs. If I already have a custom HeyGen avatar or custom voice, I can paste the avatar ID or voice ID here. Otherwise, I simply leave it blank and continue. Step 3 is room settings, where the real intelligence comes in. First, I set the room ID. This is the unique URL name of my AI sales room. If I don't specify anything, the system automatically generates a random string. For this demo, I'm naming it Test Room. Next are the chat settings. This is where I paste the instructions that explain the purpose of the app, how the AI should behave, what it should explain, and how it should respond to users. This becomes the brain of the AI sales room. Below that is the conversation starter. If I add text here, the avatar will start the conversation automatically. For this demo, I'm adding a simple greeting: "Hi." Then we have the exit location settings. When a visitor exits the meeting, I can decide where they go next. I can redirect them to the homepage, show the entry form again, or send them to a specific URL. For this demo, I'm adding my sales page link so every conversation ends with a conversion opportunity. From the same section, I can also control subtitles, chat visibility, voice speed, conversation memory, session recording, and host video settings, all without writing a single line of code. If I want advanced or unfiltered AI behavior, I can also connect external AI services. By adding an OpenRouter.ai preset ID, I can control AI routing and moderation. By adding an Anakin.ai application ID, I can enable advanced AI workflows and functions. These options are completely optional, but very powerful for advanced users. Once everything is ready, I create the room and start the AI session using the room link. When entering the room, it first asks me to enter my name. For this demo, I enter and continue. The AI avatar loads instantly, and the session goes live. Inside the room, I see 4 main options. I can click Start Chat to type messages and chat with the AI. I can click Start Speech Recognition to talk using my voice and let the AI respond naturally. I can change the language or voice attitude at any time, and I can exit the meeting instantly using the Exit Meeting option. To demonstrate real interaction, I ask the AI what AI sales room is.
An AI sales room is a virtual environment where artificial intelligence technology is used to facilitate sales interactions between businesses and customers. It can be used for virtual product demonstrations, personalized sales pitches, and customer engagement.
Nice. I then ask if any technical skills are required.
No, technical skills are not required to use an AI sales room.
Pretty impressive, right? This isn't a scripted chatbot or a pre-recorded video. This is a real AI sales conversation happening live, answering questions, removing doubts, and guiding the visitor automatically. When the visitor exits the room, AI Sales Room doesn't stop working. It automatically redirects them to a sales page, affiliate link, checkout page, or any custom URL I choose, making sure every interaction ends with a strong conversion opportunity. AI Sales Room also provides complete transparency. I can access chat logs and full session recordings. Logs store all session-related information, including chat history and session activity. I can see who interacted with which room, what conversations took place, and how long each session lasted. If recording is enabled, every AI session is saved and can be replayed or deleted anytime. With the built-in prompt enhancer, I can instantly improve weak prompts so my AI becomes smarter and more persuasive over time. In settings, I can connect all my AI services by adding API keys for OpenAI, HeyGen, 11 Labs, OpenRouter, Anakin AI, and more. These keys power avatars, voices, and advanced AI behavior across the platform. AI Sales Room also includes an agency mode. I can add sub-users, manage access, and allow team members or clients to use the platform under my account. This makes it perfect for agencies, consultants, and service providers. Beyond selling, and with DFY, which stands for Done For You, I can let the AI Sales Room team handle the complete setup for me by simply sharing my details. AI Sales Room includes Creative Lab AI for generating ideas and content, and AI Logo Suite for creating professional logos instantly without hiring designers. Everything needed to build and brand a business is included. With Elite Voice AI, I can generate studio-quality AI voiceovers for sales videos, presentations, and voice-based selling experiences, ensuring my brand always sounds professional and premium. In simple terms, AI Sales Room replaces funnels, videos, chatbots, emails, follow-ups, and even support desks with one AI-powered sales room. It explains better, answers faster, works non-stop, and converts smarter. So this is AI Sales Room, a complete AI selling system built for 2026 and beyond. If you want to sell without pressure, scale without complexity, and automate your sales without hiring a team, this is the system you've been waiting for. Thanks for watching. This is Yogesh Agarwal, signing off.
Front end, $14.97 / $25.97 launch AI rooms in 5 minutes. Sells 24/7. Upgrade 1, $37.97 unlimited rooms, avatars, and global reach. Upgrade 2, $52.97 for 100 plus viral videos ready to post. Upgrade 3, $97.97 resell AI rooms to 500 clients easily. Upgrade 4, $127.97 we set up your full business, unlimited clients. When you grab this using my link, I'll personally send you my free bonus course valued at $747. This is a 4+ hour step-by-step training that shows how to build up to $10,000 per month using free traffic. No ads, no complicated tech. This bonus is not available anywhere else, and I'm only offering it for a short time. How to get instant access. Purchase through my link. Take a screenshot of your purchase. Send it to me on Instagram. Once I receive it, I'll unlock your bonus immediately. Don't wait. This bonus can disappear anytime, and once it's gone, it's gone.